Welcome to session 7. Let's jump right into clearing your cache using the 4 powers. Ever set goals, plant good seeds, but stay totally stuck? Why does that happen? It's your mental cache. Old negative seeds act like buggy legacy code, blocking your progress. This 4x4 karmic system shows exactly how the 4 powers clear those stubborn old blocks. Guilt actually makes things worse. Modern psychology shows self-compassion is what really drives healthy change. Enter the 4 powers. Together, they're a gentle 4-step system update for your busy mind. Power 1. Clear seeing. Just mindfully notice a repeating problem. No self-blame, no digging into trauma. The magic here? Taking total responsibility right now to plant something totally different today. Power 2 is gentle regret. Forget shame. Wrap that painful pattern in kindness and humanity. You're simply recognizing the pain and choosing a better way without ever attacking yourself. Power 3, the promise. Make a short, super reasonable commitment to stop that specific mistake. Keep it doable. This literally hits pause, stopping that bad seed from multiplying any further. Finally, Power 4, opposite action. Actively plant a fresh, balancing antidote seed to restore harmony. In daily life, if you've been a bit stingy, deliberately give a small, happy gift today. Or if you ignored a coworker, your antidote is just listening kindly for 5 minutes. Used harsh words lately? Your powerful opposite action is deliberately offering someone genuine, warm encouragement. One sincere opposite act neutralizes that old legacy code, literally building your brand new habits. This structured daily loop clears your mental cache safely and effectively without triggering past trauma. So here's my question. What buggy old legacy code will you rewrite with compassion today?